Hi everybody, Frank Iglesias here. Highly active real estate investor here in the Atlanta area as well as getting into some other markets. And I'm delighted to be talking to you this coming Monday night, May 18th at the Beginning Investors Group. Now I talk to beginning investors every week. People are always asking me questions. What do I do? How do I do this? What should I be doing? Etc., etc. And so what I want to do is go ahead and share with you what you need to be doing. We're going to talk about some very fundamental things that if you don't get these things right, it will absolutely send you down the wrong path and you will waste a lot of time. Ask me how I know. Okay, so everything I'm going to be talking to you about is from not only the experience of our successes, but the experience from our failures. That's right, even any successful person that tells you they haven't failed, run away. Okay, successful people are successful because they've grown from their failures, they've grown from their mistakes. So we're going to talk about the various things you need to keep in mind so that you can be successful and save a lot of time. Don't reinvent the wheel. We're going to talk about how to just use the wheels that we know work, what you need to make them work, and how to get things done. It doesn't matter if you're a wholesaler, rehabber, landlord, whatever. Be there. We look forward to seeing you. Thanks.